Hello everyone. Uh, if you want to weld with flux core, no gas, and you hate cleaning all the spatter, or you spend too much time doing it, here is a quick hack. Make sure you dialed your settings right first, and after that learn how to weld vertically from up to down. Leave a space for your spatter to fall, and this would be the result. If I can focus, you see there's 1, 2, 3, 4. Sometimes you get none. All the spatter goes down. So if you don't want to pay for a spatter spray, and you hate cleaning the spatter, but you don't want to pay also for the gas, this is a quick hack. Yes, it's much harder to weld from up to down, but I'm happy to do it if this is the result.